हम लोग can say hi. Hi. Hey. Hi. Hello beautiful angels, today we're going to go over the unboxing of this beauty in here. So this is Fabfitfun for the winter 2020. So we're going to go over all of the products, and we also have the spoiler clue for the first spring box of the 2021, and that looks like and before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And for those who doesn't know, Fabfitfun is like a seasonal subscription box, and this one is $49.99 each season, and you will get the box filled with 8 to 10 full-sized premium products, and which is valued over $200 plus, which is amazing. And without further ado, let's get to today's video. Right, Kana? Right? Here is the Fabfitfun Winter 2020 box. Can you see it here? First beauty that I see is this one. So this is the advanced teeth whitening, get a brighter and whiter smile, and this says own your smile. And this one retails for $89.99. The whitening gel and LED light tray system gives you a brighter, whiter smile and retails for $89.99. This is mobile white advanced teeth whitening kit. The next beauty that I have is this one. So this one is the Lily Maroon velvet headband, and this is how it looks, and this is where she lives now, happily ever after. All right, and this one retails for $49. Slip on this velvet headband to add holiday flair to your hairstyle. Yeah, this looks kind of holiday and I like it. Alright, the next beauty that I see is this one. This is a teeny tiny one, and this is vanilla bean lip scrub. One retails for $20. Organic brown sugar and organic shea butter work together to exfoliate and soften your lips. And let's see what we have. Next one, I'm taking this one, and these are all the tiny products like that Fabfitfun chose for me, and the lip scrub, and I think I did select this one and this one, but the lip scrub Fabfitfun chose for me, and even the next product Fabfitfun chose this product for me. This is Face Zero Making Mousse Blusher. Pretty color. So this is the color we're looking at, and I smell coconut. It smells like pina colada. That's the smell, really. I love to smell this one for some reason. Next beauty that I have is this beauty, and this one Fabfitfun chose for me, and this one is the Noir Jewelry Ombre Leopard Scrunchies, and this one retails for $25. Meow, keep your hair out of your face with these leopard print scrunchies. So we have like 3 of these scrunchies, cabin socks. Okay, and this one retails for $25. Wow. And I think I chose this one. So okay, so this has this thing for the grip, and okay, so there is the fur inside. So this is the fur inside, fox fur, and here is the pom-pom that looks kind of cute. So this is what I got, and let's see about this beauty. So this cozy cabin socks feature a fox lining to keep you warm, and this one retails for $25. Next beauty is this one, star of the show. That's a decent size, so here is the size that we got. Okay, and it did come with the base that it can stand. Impressions Vanity Company LED vanity mirror, and this one it is for $45. This mirror features a bright white LED light strip, yet a touch of a sensor button to help you perfect your makeup, and retails for $45. These, so this is what the cutting board, and this is a set of four of them. 1 2 3 4. So these are the colors that we got. Cutting boards set of 4, and this one retails for $19.95. This one is the Summer and Rose cozy robe. Cuddle up in this fuzzy robe, which features front pocket, and retails for $70. Okay, so I think I did select this beauty. I haven't. This was not add-on. That's what I meant. Okay. Let's see how cozy this is. Wow, the material feels so good. Yeah, this is kind of cozy for sure. And here is the pocket. Oh, okay, they have this thing to tie. That's awesome. Love it. It feels kind of cozy. Yeah, that's true. And this one retails for how much? I think $70. It's kind of expensive, kind of luxury kind of feel that it has, so I don't blame them for that. And the next beauty that I have is this one. Let's see what this is. So this is 4D. That's the number it has. It's a hair care rhythm of the rain hair mask and scalp detox. Natural butters, oils, and botanicals work to restore scalp health while infusing locks with vital nutrients. And this one retails for $28. And this is the hair mask. It kind of smells good, but let's see. Okay, so this is the kind of like cream. For some reason I thought this is going to be a different texture, but it's more of a hair conditioner kind of. Have the spoiler clue for the first spring box of the 2021 daisy flower, followed by that clue looks like a flower duffel bag for me. So based on that, that looks like this is the bag that I'm looking at. So that's the Elise plus Oliva Daisy print duffel bag. And I couldn't find this bag, but the one that I found online on the Nordstrom, has like this face on it, the Stacy face on it, and that one retailed for around $325. So I'm assuming this is going to be more or less of the same price. So well, that's it. So there you have it. And for those who haven't seen my hint from the last box, I told like that was a Lily Pulitzer mug. So we did have that for the winter 2020. So we're going to see this hopefully even during the spring 2021. Well, that's all, you guys. There you have it. Well, that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you loved today's video, and if you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.